Whoa, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Okay, so when you first walk in, there is a big pile of shoes over here, so that's not Christmas related, but over here on this little bar area, we have some little stockings. I just put up some like random ones we don't necessarily have. Like these aren't actual stockings. They're just kind of for decorations. I may use some though for me and Seth, but Baylee has a Minnie Mouse one. And then starting over here, I just have a picture of me and Seth from when I was pregnant. Some cute little Christmas trees from the Target dollar spot. Those are so cute. These little starlights are also from the Target dollar spot and they are really cute. I just thought they look festive here. And then we have these little Joy stocking hangers, which actually I didn't find these until after I'd already put the stockings up. So they're not actually hanging on the stocking, but they are cute. Or the stocking's not hanging on them rather. So also, I got this little sleigh from the Target dollar spot. These little snowballs are also from the Target dollar spot, and these houses are also from, you guessed it, the Target dollar spot. I love their decorations for Christmas. And then over here is this little thing, and it actually lights up, but it probably needs some batteries. But it lights up like that too, and then the candles also light up. But yeah, so that is the little bar there. I think it's just so cute and festive. And then if you look straight ahead, there is a real Christmas tree here. We got this one after we put our big one up. I just thought it was so cute to have a little small one here, and then I have like some little small like peppermints, and just like this is like the little red and white and like icicle tree, I guess. And then a cute little snowman up here, and some of these pics from Hobby Lobby. A lot of this stuff is from Hobby Lobby. Actually, most of it is. I don't know where the little white ornaments are from though. But yeah, oh yeah, and then this red like garland on there is from the Dollar Tree. So, if you come to this side over here, I just have this little coffee bar. And let's see, this sign is from Dollar Tree, super cute. This little tree, I think I got a couple years ago from Dollar Tree. And then these lights are also from Dollar Tree. And they just have a little ribbon on there, but it's kind of coming off. And let's see, this little Christmas mug is supposed to be over here. I didn't put it there, but there we go. That one is from Walmart, I believe. I think I got it last year, and as well as this little dish towel from Walmart too, I believe. So that's our little coffee bar area. So yeah, there's that. I don't think I ever did an actual official house tour for you guys when we moved in here. But let's see, first, okay, so first we'll go this way into the kitchen. Over here, I just added like some Christmas touches to everything. Let me see if I can turn the light on. Yeah, it actually looks better with the lights off, but anyway, so I have this spiced apple toddy from Bath & Body Works. It smells so good. Then I have our little coffee cup thing, a little gold tree over there. I'm not sure where that's from, and the Joy sign is from Dollar Tree last year. This Merry Christmas little basket is from Hobby Lobby. The twinkle lights are from Hobby Lobby. That's just the lid to the candle. Let's see what else. So this little Noel box is from Dollar Tree. This is also from Dollar Tree. I thought it was so cute. And then this is Raydon with some Dollar Tree flowers in there. And then I'm gonna go over top of the sink because there is dirty dishes. Oh yeah, this little Christmas basket that has our paper plates in there is from Walmart. I think I got it last year. And then moving on to the closet in here. Seth just built this for me. If you guys haven't been watching my vlogs, you really should go check it out. It'll be in the description box down below, but it was so fun. Well, actually, Seth done most of the work, so it was fun for me. And then I got this Christmas tree in here. It is a pencil tree. I think it originally came from Kmart, but I got it at a wholesale store. I guess when Kmart went out of business, they got them. So yeah, I just got that. And then I have this cute little mirror in here. So yeah, that is our walk-in closet and also laundry room, but yeah, we won't talk about that because it's kind of a mess over there. Let's see what else. And then if you head back this way, in there is Baylee's room and the bathroom, but those aren't very festive, so I'm not going to show those on this vlog. Have a little snowman over here. He lights up, but actually Seth took his batteries out for his Xbox, and we just have some little folded blankets there. And then here is our big tree. Most of the decorations have been passed down from family members. Some of the ribbon I got from Kmart before they went out of business, and then a lot of the picks and stuff is from Hobby Lobby, but this is just our tree this year. I think the bow came from Dollar Tree maybe. And then over this way we just have a huge mess of toys, which a vlog, I don't know if it's already out before this one or not, but we are doing a toy purge, and it is a collab with a mama and her mini, so go check out her channel. I'll have those videos linked down below if it's already up. So over here, let's see, we'll start over here just because I put these little fireplace things up because I just thought they were so cute. And then I have a little candle over here. And then the couch. It's not really very Christmassy besides the little home thing. I think it's kind of Christmassy. And then the little plaid blanket that I got for Christmas a couple years ago, I think. And then over here we just have a little joy sign and Baylee's little tree. We were gonna put it in her room, but her room is currently kind of under construction. But anyway, so that is her little tree in here. So now on to our bedroom. It's actually not very festive in here, besides a little candle that I have burning. And then right here I just have this little gold Christmas tree, this Let It Snow sign that came from Kmart, I think, before they closed. Can't remember. I actually did get a bunch of stuff at Kmart. And then these little Noel signs that I found at Goodwill, and this little carousel, and this little DW Homes candy cane candle. It smells so good. And then over here on our bed we just had this little thing that I actually made. It's from let's see, I think we have lights from Dollar Tree, and then this little garland is also from Dollar Tree. So that is everything in the bedroom, I guess. I don't really know. The other side's a mess, so that's all we're gonna show. So I guess that's everything. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I wanted to do a house tour for so long, but I couldn't keep the house clean enough to do one. So here is a Christmas decorations house tour, and I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.